Okay, I figure I'll just go ahead before I start in the back. For anyone who doesn't know how to operate these here, this is a ferris where the deck is in front of you. I figure I'll just go right from the beginning. So after I get it started, and I'll show you all the stuff. So here we go. Right now it's in. All you gotta do, basically on a cold start, what I normally do is I pull the choke, which is right here, and then the ignition, start it. And then just give it a little bit of gas. I won't rev it up. I forgot to push the choke in. Well, I'll start without the choke this time because it's already warmed up. Give it a little bit of gas. I'll just get it where you guys can still hear me. Now that it's running, all you gotta do is here, this button here, just lower the deck. Push down and lower the deck. Might not have enough throttle, hold on. Try that. Oh, I'm sorry, push up is to lower the deck. Go down is to raise it. Go ahead and lower the deck right now. And turn it back down. And then to fire up the blaze, this is your PTO right here. You just pull it out, then it fires it up. So you can see, that's about it. And then this here is your brake. Set your brakes. So right here is your throttle. This is your throttle. Push forward, go forward. Well, brakes on, so. Push forward to go forward. And then you step on your heel to go back. You set the brakes back. But that's it. I figure I'll give you a quick show on that. Peace out.